10 superfoods to ignite your muscles after 65 tasty recipes inside. After 65, the risk of muscle loss increases significantly due to a combination of factors, including reduced physical activity, hormonal changes, and improper nutrition. However, there's good news. Muscle loss is preventable with the right combination of exercise and diet. When it comes to nutrition, certain foods are especially important for maintaining muscle health in older adults. These foods provide the necessary nutrients like protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that help to build, repair, and sustain muscles. In this article, we will discuss 10 foods that are scientifically proven to support muscle health and prevent muscle loss after 65. We'll also explore the best dishes to prepare with these foods and explain their benefits for maintaining muscle strength. 1. Chicken breast, the lean protein powerhouse. Best dish: grilled chicken breast with veggies. Chicken breast is a lean source of high-quality protein that is essential for muscle repair and growth. It is also rich in amino acids, particularly leucine, which stimulates muscle protein synthesis. This is especially important for older adults, as muscle protein synthesis slows down with age. Chicken breast contains minimal fat and calories, making it an excellent choice for seniors looking to maintain muscle mass without gaining excess weight. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. A 4-ounce serving of chicken breast provides about 35 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance and repair. Amino acids. Contains leucine, isoleucine, and valine, all of which are essential for muscle recovery. Low in fat. A 4-ounce portion has only about 3 to 4 grams of fat, providing lean muscle-building nutrients. Health benefits for muscles. Grilled chicken breast is not only high in protein but also a good source of niacin, vitamin B3, and selenium, which support muscle function and recovery. This dish provides sustained energy, which is essential for maintaining strength and endurance in aging muscles. 2. Quinoa. A complete plant-based protein. Best dish: quinoa salad with avocado and mixed vegetables. Quinoa is a whole grain that is considered a complete protein because it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for plant-based eaters. It's rich in fiber, iron, and magnesium nutrients that help maintain muscle strength and overall health. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, providing slow-releasing energy that is ideal for muscle repair and reducing the risk of fatigue. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein, making it a solid plant-based protein option. Iron. Quinoa is a good source of iron, which helps deliver oxygen to muscles for improved function and endurance. Magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent cramps and spasms. Health benefits for muscles. In addition to its protein content, quinoa provides complex carbohydrates that support steady energy levels. This helps to keep muscles fueled throughout the day, while magnesium and iron support muscle function and recovery. The quinoa salad with avocado and vegetables ensures you're also getting healthy fats and fiber for overall well-being. 3. Tofu. A muscle-building plant-based protein. Best dish: tofu stir-fry with broccoli and bell peppers. Tofu is an excellent plant-based source of protein and is rich in calcium, magnesium, and iron, all of which are crucial for maintaining strong, healthy muscles. It contains isoflavones, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery after exercise. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. A 3-ounce serving of tofu provides about 8 grams of protein. Calcium. Tofu is often fortified with calcium, which is vital for muscle contraction and bone health. Magnesium. Supports muscle relaxation and reduces the risk of cramps and spasms. Health benefits for muscles. Tofu, when combined with vegetables like broccoli and bell peppers, provides a well-rounded meal rich in protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals. The tofu stir-fry helps to reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery, making it a great dish for keeping muscles strong and flexible as you age. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty muscle support. Best dish, roasted pumpkin seeds with sea salt. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, which are essential for muscle function and repair. Magnesium helps muscles relax and contract, reducing the risk of cramps, while zinc supports immune function and tissue repair. The healthy fats found in pumpkin seeds also help to reduce inflammation, supporting muscle health. Nutritional breakdown. Magnesium. A 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds provides about 150 milligrams of magnesium. Zinc, rich in zinc, which aids in protein synthesis and muscle recovery. Healthy fats, high in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support inflammation reduction. Health benefits for muscles. Roasting pumpkin seeds with a pinch of sea salt creates a crunchy, nutrient-dense snack that is perfect for supporting muscle health. Magnesium helps to improve muscle function, and the zinc in pumpkin seeds plays a role in muscle repair, making it an ideal food for seniors to include in their diet. 5. Cottage cheese. A slow-digesting protein. Best dish, cottage cheese with berries and walnuts. Cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that helps to repair and maintain muscle mass over time. It's also an excellent source of calcium and magnesium, which support muscle function and bone health. Cottage cheese is low in fat and carbohydrates, making it a great option for seniors looking to build and maintain muscle without excess calories. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. A 1-cup serving of cottage cheese provides around 28 grams of protein. Calcium. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of calcium, essential for muscle contraction and bone strength. Magnesium. Supports muscle function and reduces muscle cramps. Health benefits for muscles. The combination of cottage cheese, berries, and walnuts creates a meal rich in protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. The slow-digesting protein from cottage cheese helps to build and maintain muscle mass, while the magnesium and calcium support muscle relaxation and recovery. 6. Chia seeds. A plant-based omega-3 source. Best dish. Chia pudding with almond milk and fresh fruit. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery. Omega-3s are essential for muscle health, as they support proper muscle function and repair. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, protein, and minerals, making them an excellent addition to a muscle-supporting diet. Nutritional breakdown. Omega-3s. A 1-ounce serving of chia seeds provides about 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. Protein. Chia seeds contain about 4 grams of protein per ounce. Fiber. High in fiber, which supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Health benefits for muscles. Chia pudding is an easy and delicious way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. The omega-3s in chia seeds help to reduce muscle inflammation, while the protein and fiber support muscle strength and recovery. This dish is a great option for a healthy breakfast or snack. 7. Spinach. Iron and magnesium for muscular health. Best dish: sautéed spinach with garlic and olive oil. Spinach is a powerhouse vegetable rich in iron and magnesium, both of which are essential for muscle function. Iron helps deliver oxygen to muscles, while magnesium supports muscle contraction and relaxation. Spinach is also high in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect muscles from damage. Nutritional breakdown. Iron. A 1-cup serving of cooked spinach provides about 6 milligrams of iron. Magnesium provides around 157 milligrams of magnesium per cup. Antioxidants. Spinach is rich in vitamins A and C, which help to protect muscles from oxidative damage. Health benefits for muscles. Sautéing spinach with garlic and olive oil enhances its nutrient absorption while providing a delicious and easy way to consume this muscle-boosting vegetable. The iron and magnesium content of spinach helps to support muscle function, while the antioxidants reduce muscle damage and inflammation. 8. Edamame. Protein and fiber for strong legs. Best dish: steamed edamame with sea salt. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. They are also rich in essential amino acids that support muscle growth and repair. Edamame contains healthy fats, fiber, and minerals that help maintain muscle strength and promote muscle recovery. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. A 1-cup serving of edamame provides about 17 grams of protein. Fiber. Provides about 8 grams of fiber per cup. Amino acids. Contains essential amino acids that promote muscle repair. Health benefits for muscles. Steaming edamame with a pinch of sea salt makes for a simple and nutritious snack that supports muscle recovery. The protein content in edamame helps to repair and build muscle, while the fiber supports digestion and nutrient absorption. 9. Lentils. Protein and iron for healthy muscles. Best dish: lentil soup with vegetables. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron, all of which are essential for maintaining strong muscles. Iron is crucial for delivering oxygen to muscles, while fiber helps to regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Lentils also contain essential amino acids that promote muscle growth and repair. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. A 1-cup serving of lentils provides about 18 grams of protein. Iron. Lentils provide about 3.5 milligrams of iron per cup. Fiber. Rich in fiber, providing 15 grams per cup. Health benefits for muscles. Lentil soup with vegetables is a nutritious and hearty meal that provides the body with essential nutrients for muscle health. The protein in lentils helps to build and repair muscle, while the iron supports oxygen delivery to muscles for improved endurance and recovery. 10. Hemp seeds. Omega-3s and protein for muscles. Best dish: hemp seed smoothie with banana and spinach. Hemp seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like magnesium and iron. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, while protein supports muscle repair and growth. Hemp seeds are a great addition to any diet focused on muscle health, especially for seniors looking for plant-based options. Nutritional breakdown. Protein. A 1-ounce serving of hemp seeds provides about 10 grams of protein. Omega-3s provides about 2.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. Magnesium, high in magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation. Health benefits for muscles. Adding hemp seeds to a smoothie provides a quick and easy way to boost protein intake while also adding omega-3s to fight inflammation. This combination supports muscle growth and repair, making it an ideal addition to your daily routine. Conclusion: a nutrient-rich diet for strong muscles after 65. Maintaining muscle strength after the age of 65 is essential for maintaining independence, mobility, and quality of life. The 10 foods highlighted in this article are all rich in the nutrients necessary to support muscle health and prevent muscle loss. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can ensure that your muscles stay strong, flexible, and functional well into your senior years. Remember, it's not just about exercise. Your diet plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass and supporting muscle recovery. By combining these nutrient-rich foods with regular physical activity, you can preserve muscle mass, reduce the risk of falls, and maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. Start today, and give your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong for years to come.